beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Felicia. If you're new here, hi, I'm a beauty and lifestyle creator, and in this video I'm going to be featuring the Hergivenhair unit. I did pick up the lace front unit in 20 inches. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. I have my hair net on because I'm about to install that unit with you guys. So let's dive straight into the video. In this box right here, and the box is actually well made. I love the packaging from this company. They treat you like you actually got something expensive, okay? And it also comes with this satin bag here to store your unit, an instruction book. So this is what the unit is looking like. This is the 20 inches lace front wig from Hergivenhair, and this is the curly texture. I'm gonna leave it on the screen. It looks like this. I love it so much. So I'm gonna try. As you can see, my hairline is not like the usual hairline that their hairline starts from here. My hairline is so close to my forehead, like I cannot do much to my hair, like my hairline. So I'm just gonna even if I try not to style my hair without baby hair, I still have to style my hair with baby hair, or at least move it backwards, but you will still get to see what my hairline looks like. So I'm using the Got2b gel. I'm not a pro, I'm just doing it the way I know how to do it. I don't copy, because my hairline again is different from other YouTubers' hairline. So I just do it, apply the gel like only on this side. I really don't do much to the side, like my ear to ear. I don't do much here, but if I feel like doing anything there, I'll just put just a little bit of gel. My focus is on this side. Looks like inside, and it does come with a strap, and it comes with 3 combs at the back. Oh, sorry. It comes with 2 combs here, here, and it comes with another comb here. So this hair has already been used. I actually picked this hair up for my birthday, so I did not film a video of the hair when it arrived because I was in a hurry. I don't know if the camera can pick the lace, but you can really see the lace of the unit. Since the gel is still wet, I'll just press that down, okay, like so. I love everything about this particular unit. Like, this is a size medium. After my first experience with the headband wig, I had to go ahead and get a medium size in the lace front wig because I really love that headband unit. After 5 months of using it, like, I love that particular hair, the texture, everything about the unit. I love it. So I had to go ahead and I got the lace front unit from this company. I did not choose a size small with this lace front unit this time. I had to pick a size medium as much as I'm a size small head. Okay, so if you're a size small head and you want to get like a lace front unit, I highly recommend you sizing up like to a size medium, so that way you don't get to ship back and return and all of that. So that is exactly what I did, and this medium size is just like my head was measured for this particular unit. I love it so much. I usually wrap my hair like so but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna let it flow like this because I want you guys to actually see what the unit looks like. This is a 20 inches. I always love my hair long. I'm gonna turn this way again so you can actually see. And the curls are really, really beautiful. I didn't show washing the unit because I just washed it with shampoo, like the Alcee shampoo, and I used the Alcee conditioner. I mixed the water and Alcee conditioner in this spray bottle, and I just sprayed it around the hair. Sorry, I sprayed it in the hair, and I detangled the hair using this Felicia Leatherwood brush, as well as the Hergivenhair brush. I don't have it here. It's in my restroom. So that's literally what I did to this unit. This side looks like this because I was trying to do like a side part, but I wasn't really feeling it. I feel like it doesn't fit my, like this hair is a center part for me, which is the reason why I decided to keep it this way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I highly recommend this unit. So you guys, I highly recommend the Hergivenhair units. If you're looking at a good quality hair, I definitely recommend this hair. You guys, this hair wasn't sent to me. They don't even know I'm filming this video. I paid for this hair with my money. If you haven't seen my first video about this company, I'm gonna leave it on the screen so you guys can go look it up. That was my very first experience with Hergivenhair. Right since after that experience I had, I now know what size of unit to get from this company. For the headband wigs, I do a small. For their lace front units, I just go ahead and do a medium because I know they're a good fit. For this unit, this is a size medium and is my exact head size. I didn't have to cut any excess hair around the ear. I only cut off lace on the front side and it was just perfect. You guys, since after my lace front, no, since after the headband wig, I've had to purchase one, two, three. I've had to purchase 3 units from this company all by myself. They did not send me money to do this. They didn't send me this hair for free. I had to pay for this unit because it's worth every cent. This hair really makes me so happy. So you guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little story here. After my very first unit from this company, which is the headband wig, this is my second unit from this company. I'm gonna tell you the reason why I had to go back to place an order for this unit. So after that first unit, I explained I was so frustrated because the sizing of the unit was off to me. I wasn't just happy about it. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna leave it down in the description box below so you go look it up. I had a little back and forth with this company, expressing my feelings, how frustrated I was. They apologized to me and they offered me a $60 coupon to go shop units from their company. That was not the reason why I went to get this hair, because if you're familiar with this company, their hair is really pricey. Okay, so a $60 gift is nothing. It's nothing compared to a $600 unit. I don't know if that makes sense. So I had to accept the offer, but I did not shop this unit immediately. I had wanted to use the headband wig to the point that I was convinced that, oh, okay, I think I would have to go get another unit from this company. So that was why I used that unit for that long before even coming to feature a review video for you guys, like a 5 months update video. So I used that hair almost every day. Like I think once in 2 days I was wearing that unit. Each time I left my home, I was always wanting to wear that unit. And after the first week, second week, 4 weeks, I was like, I think I like this hair. So after like 2 months to 3 months, I was like, I love that hair so much. Each time I wash it, detangle it, I really don't get that much shedding. It held up really well, and even when I don't wash it, I could literally run my fingers through the unit. At that point, I was so convinced. I had to go back, shop for this unit for my birthday, and I applied the $60 gift that they gave me. And I had to wait 4 weeks until this hair was delivered to me. I was so excited. The hair, like, once I put it on my hair, because from my first experience, I now know that I would have to go a size up if it's a lace front wig I was getting. So once I put the hair on my head, it was my exact size. I told my husband, I was like, my God, I have found her. I was so excited. I had to run, wash this hair up, style it for my birthday, and after this was delivered, I had to place an order for 2 more. So just want to put it out there that this hair is so good. Take it from me, I love this hair. I'm glad that I had to experience what I experienced before, looking back, because if I had not bought that hair, I wouldn't know that a size medium is the best fit for me from this company. I highly recommend this company. They take their time to like make their wigs, and one of the reasons I love this company is because the packaging, they treat you like somebody. Have you seen the packaging? Like, can you see this? I love these boxes. Like, they're so well made. The hair itself, when it gets to you, it comes with no smell. You could literally wear the unit from the box itself. But you know me, I like to wash it and do some styling and all of that. The hair really comes neatly packed, and I don't know, I just love the way the company ships out their unit. Alrighty, so this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful. Subscribe here with the bell to all, and leave me a comment down below if you would like to purchase this unit. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.